Hiya guys, and welcome to the power site. God, we got a surprise for you today. I'm gonna get into the mix with the Steele Mixer. Let's make it happen. So really simple to use, guys. Water first. So I got a bucket of water here, just chuck some in. Let's have a look. I'll put it sort of, let's have a look. That'll do, about that much. About enough to put an inch or so in the bottom. Now today we're gonna use a post-creep mix. So the simplest way, water in, mix it up. We'll show you that. In a later video, we're going to mix some proper old-fashioned cement. 4-to-1, 5-to-1, something like that. We'll do it the other way next time. Open a bag. We'll do that first. Okay, what shall I do today? I think I'll just chuck it all in. That's it, and it's in. Now let's show you how simple it is to mix. So this only takes a minute. I'll show you the technique. So first thing I'm going to do, roll it over one way, giving it a shake as I go. So if you're going to be doing a lot of this, wear a mask. So that's the one way. And let's go back the other way. Slowly over. And back the other way. Let her roll, let her roll. And once back the other way. Back and forth. I think that looks well mixed to me. So I could just tip it straight in the hole. Shovel fits in the barrel nicely. I can also tip it over to load the shovel. Really simple job to mix it. Takes but seconds. Well, there we are, another successful mix with the Steele Mixer. Give it a quick clean out with a hose pipe now and it's ready for use next time. I've been Adrian, thanks for watching.